So, today is a very special day. You know why? It's Miss Nina's birthday today. Can we sing happy birthday to her?
Welcome to my birthday episode of our videos. So my birthday was really fun in Taiwan. Jared coordinated with my family and everybody Skyped in to wish me happy birthday and sing happy birthday to me, and that was really special, and it meant a lot to me that everybody took the time to do that, and it was really nice.
3 different locations for everybody, and I think it was 6 in the morning their time, so pretty early.
And they all got up. It was really cute and really special. Aww.
This one's here too. Happy birthday. Aw, I want to see it. It's okay, the good family's here.
That's cute.
There. No, I got Jared to get it for me.
How did you go to Big City without me knowing?
Quickly. You're supposed to be downstairs 5 minutes ago.
This makes sense to get Jared to get stuff for you.
Oh my gosh. This is so cool. Thank you, Christine and Beck. Jared made me a card.
Yeah.
Why do I look like an Asian though?
Because we're in Asia.
That doesn't mean I look Asian.
It's you drawn as an Asian cartoon.
You're in Taiwan.
No, but look, you did the corners fancy.
Lizzie. Aw, you're my best friend. Aww.
And that night I went out with a bunch of girls and we got pedicures, and that was a lot of fun. Just like chill, relaxing birthday night because it was like in the middle of the week. Jared also got me this beautiful bouquet of flowers, and he got my favorite student to give it to me while the whole school was singing happy birthday to me, which was incredibly cute. Unfortunately, we didn't get a video of it.
I tried to record it. I had a camera set up, but it sometimes automatically shuts off, so I didn't get the whole thing.
Yeah, but it was really cute, and the kids in my like little kid class don't really get like that your birthday is only one day, so my birthday was literally a week of birthday cards and happy birthdays, and it was incredibly cute. And then on the weekend we went on a trip to Wu-Lai and we stayed at like a hot spring resort. So we had like a little hot spring in our hotel room, and then there was also the hot spring spa that you could go to, and it was amazing and so beautiful.
This is our bathroom. Oh my god. This is what we get to look at in the bathroom. Just having an afternoon lounge. Yeah, WuLai was beautiful. It's this like little town that's kind of on a river in the valley of these big mountains, and the water, like I don't know how, but the water is just like algae. The water is so blue. It's just like amazingly blue. Even if it was crazy to see, but it was awesome just like walking through it, and we saw a couple of waterfalls, which was cool.
And then we went on a hike.
Here comes a little trolley that we have to take to the waterfall. The trolley clown car. Say hello. Just what Michelle wants to see.
So we're getting ready for Jim's arrival next week. We are very excited. Having our first visitor, a little piece of home coming our way. Sorry our videos haven't been very consistent lately. We have been insanely busy with school and preparing for Jim's arrival and going to Wu-Lai for my birthday. So we haven't had a lot of time, but we're going to try to pump out the next 2 months really fast.
We should probably have 2 out in the next 2 weeks, hopefully. Actually, I think we will. Alright, see everybody next week when my dad's going to be here. Bye!
Bye!